Bulibinaka. We have this is our third lesson. This is our third lesson with Lion uh, from the Cook Islands, who's shown interest in learning the Fijian language. And what's amazing is that in this Zoom lessons of only 20 minutes each, by the time we did our lesson last week, as you will have noticed from watching the YouTube, that he had was able to recite the Fijian alphabet from memory, the Matuavosa, also the Votu or the Fijian vowels, and then afterwards we went through the Fijian pronunciation guide, which is called the Utango. So basically, the idea with teaching friends who've never been exposed to the Fijian language is to teach them the Fijian alphabet. At least that's my view anyway, because we are doing this online. We are doing this in isolation from other Fijian speakers. Because if you need to catch the language quickly, you need to be surrounded by Fijian speakers. But that is generally is not the case when you are living in isolation away from Fiji. You're not around Fijian people. So if you can teach them uh, the Fijian alphabet, the Fijian vowel, they master that. They're able to recite it off just like the English alphabet. Then in that way they will know what Fijian words are, what they sound like. They will be able to read, and of course the meaning. Maybe if they know how to pronounce the words, because now they have gone through the alphabet. In a lot of cases they will not understand what they are reading. Okay, so they read some of the words. Maybe they don't understand, but we have the tools of Google available. They can always Google that up and find out the meaning of the word, but at least they are reading the language. See? And if they are reading materials available, then of course they can start using that to just get into the mode of reading Fijian, sounding out the words as they are reading. They're sounding out the words, and once they come to a word that they don't understand, they go to the dictionary. There are dictionaries available online as well. So this is what we have done, and this is the third lesson that we are going to do today. Today we will be doing spelling of or trying to form words using the Fijian pronunciation guide or CAVUTAGO. Welcoming all of our friends who have been watching our previous lessons on YouTube to the simple ABC or simple Ambada, learning Fijian with in our channel.
Umbala.
Yeah, simple Ambada. Yes. So that is incredible what you have managed, because our lessons usually doesn't even last half an hour. Like I think I timed that our first one was just about 20 minutes, where we started with learning the Matuavosa or the alphabet. And then when we came back next week and I asked you to recite the alphabet, Fijian alphabet, you did it just like that from memory. So that was amazing. Uh, So the approach with teaching Fijian, I think online for me is you need to go back to learning the alphabet, because we are learning Fijian in isolation. We're not really we're living in a Fijian village where we are surrounded by Fijian speakers and they're speaking the language all the time and you're hearing it. But if you can get the person who is learning the language to go back to learning the alphabet, through learning the alphabet, the vowel, they will then be able to read Fijian. And even when they get to the point where they are able to read Fijian, which they were not able to do before, but because now they have mastered the alphabet and now they're able to read Fijian, and uh, that's a step in the right direction. But maybe, so excuse me, some of the things they are reading, they might not know what they are reading. The meaning is not clear, but there are Fijian dictionaries available online that they can use, and in that way they will find out the meaning. But at least the step in the right direction is now they are able to read Fijian. Okay, and then they don't need to be around Fijian speakers to be able to read Fijian. All they have to do is master the alphabet, and Lion did it in just a 20-minute lesson we had, and then he practiced at home. And the next lesson we had, he was able to recite the Matua Vosa and the vowels. And then, of course, we went through the Fijian pronunciation guide last time, and that helped a lot. So what we are going to do today, so as we're looking at my screen, we see the votu there. That's the votu. Then it's the CAVUTAGO, the pronunciation guide, and somewhere in the back here should be the Matua Vosa. Well, there you go. The Matua Vosa, the 23 letters of the Fijian alphabet. Okay, so we are going to do our exercise today is to use the CAVUTAGO to form words. Okay, so we'll go back uh, to what one of the word we did last week, just before we ended, just to help those who are will be watching this. So we just make it easy from the beginning. The most recognized Fijian word, eh? So you see my cursor there on this word?
Eo.
Yo, what's the word?
Boo.
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 Okay, bu, benar Kak? Here. All right. Bu. Maybe I should have this here. All right. Let's write there what you just said. Uh, okay. Bu. And then let's go down to the butango. What's this one?
La.
La. And then what word is formed?
Bula.
Bula. Now, if I can ask you just as a test, can you please spell this for me? Bula. You have said the word, we have used the utango, and we're going to bu and la, forming the word bula. But please spell bula in Fijian.
Okay. Ba. U. La. A. Bula.
Ah, there you go. Hey, can I just ask a question?
Eo.
Have you, I think you must have been exposed to Fijian before, maybe in high school or like now you're already spelling the Fijian language, Fijian word. Have you done this before, like maybe 5 ago?
Not at all. This is our first time was when you first recorded.
Okay. So that is very, very encouraging that we have our friend Lion from the Cook Islands, encouraging especially for our Fijian diaspora, all our Fijian people that have gone overseas and wondering how they can teach their children alphabet teach children the Fijian language. Well, this is a starting point. And here you have an example of someone who has never been exposed to the Fijian language, and here they're already spelling. It's not Bulla, it's actually being spelled in Fijian, which is Ba'ula'a. Okay, 10 out of 10 for that one. Lion? All right, let's form
Three
another word
positive.
using Dabutango. Dabutango, once again, for those of you, just as a
Avutang.
reminder, Dabutango is what is the Dabutango again?
Lavutangu, the
Dabutango is the
pronunciation guide.
pronunciation guide. Yeah. So from the Fijian alphabet, the Fijian vowel, then you go to Dabutango, and then you can start forming the Fijian words. All right? Let's go to another Fijian word using the Dabutango. What about this one here?
More.
More. Okay, and going back up, or let me write it here. Okay, more, and then going back up. This one here,
The.
this one. Okay, let me ask
There.
you.
There.
Uh, Sorry.
There.
Okay, so the English box opened there when you saw that one, in the brain, because you said the before. First time you said you saw it, you said the, and now you change it to they.
So I got confused with the in
Oh, the
English. I got
cursor.
confused with the the third one.
Oh, but maybe because my is my cursor moving around there? Are you able to see it?
No, I can see it. Sorry, I was accidentally looking at the third one.
Oh, oh, well.
Sorry, sorry.
Okay, okay. So that's correct. That's correct. So you were not confused then. So you're actually looking at this, and the way you said it, yes, 10 out of 10, correct. But what I wanted was this one here.
There. Sorry, my
Okay.
bad.
No, 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 no problem. So to do a reset on that, as we know with the Matabutango, we start with our the votu, the A, E, I, O, U. And then we start
Yeah.
going down the list. Bam, bam, beam, boom, boo. This one here, the,
The, the.
yes. So the.
There.
Okay, so now you've just said that that is they. So combining the two, they form what would does that form?
Mother.
Naka. Now, before learning and mastering the Fijian alphabet, how would you have pronounced that word?
Most or moist if I didn't know Fijian.
Yeah. Maybe moke?
Oh yeah, all that moke. Yeah, I
Okay.
would have probably said moke.
Like the mochaccino? Mocha?
Yeah.
Okay, excellent, excellent. All right. So would you please spell the word for me now?
Ma o the e. Mother.
Okay. So just as like a procedure in the exercise of our spelling exercise, and in that way, those who will watch our video will also follow. And when I ask you to say spell the word mother, could you say the word mother and then ma o da e, and then say the word again mother. So say the word in the beginning, spell it out, and then say it again at the end. So just say, for example, let's go back to the word this one here. Okay, spell that out for me again.
Bula. Ba u la a. Bula.
All right. Now let's go and try another one. See? If you master the Fijian alphabet, master the votu, the vowel, master the pronunciation guide, you are set. You are set with the language. You are able to read Fijian. Don't worry too much at the moment about knowing the meaning. The meaning will come later. First of all, master the alphabet, the votu, and the pronunciation guide. Okay, what about this one?
Yeah.
Naka. Yeah. Uh-huh. Uh, Let me see if I can just take this down here like that. Right, yeah. Then back up to here. What about that one?
Dra.
9 out of 10 for that one. The mouth muscles is slowly starting to evolve into, getting used to the
Yeah.
Fijian sound, eh?
Yeah.
Because that is what language is. You use different parts of the mouth, the muscles, the teeth, the tongue, the roof of the mouth to form the words. English maybe forms different mouth muscles. Fijian will also, but the CAVUTAGO will help you to exercise the sound, the mouth muscles, so that you will be pronouncing the word just like the Fijians pronounce. Nrandrendri nronru. Like I know for first time Fijian learners, they will say Nrandrendri ndoronduru. Yeah?
Yeah. Yeah.
Uh, yeah. But can not really notice I can notice the difference now from when we initially started on this. So yeah. So Nra forming the word. What's the word?
Yandra.
Ah, okay. Please spell that for me.
Yandra. Ya a na. Oh damn! My English box open for a minute.
Uh, could you maybe for our friends who maybe missed the um, the explanation of the boxes in the brain, could you just elaborate a little on that, please, so that they will know what you're saying, what you're trying to mean?
So typically, usually when you're learning a new language, there's usually the English box or the language that you're learning. So, for
Yeah.
example, Fijian. So there's the English box and then the Fijian box. Right now, my English box is open, and I was thinking of English words rather than my Fijian box being open and thinking about Fijian words.
So it's like having boxes in the brain, eh? So imagine people
Yeah,
who speak 5 languages fluently. So the boxes are
yeah,
just popping. One is popping open, the other one is shut. Just like that, eh? Oh,
yeah,
so yeah. So you were actually looking at the word, the Fijian word, but the English box was open.
yeah. It was.
And so what you needed to do was close the English box and open up the Fijian box. Nice. Thank you. Thank you. Okay. Okay. Spell that for me again, please.
Okay. Yandra. Ya a na da ra a. Yandra.
Ah, thank you. Vinaka, Yandra. Do you know what Yandra means?
Goodbye. Oh, no, good morning.
Yeah. More is goodbye. Bula is, of course, the greeting.
Oh, that's right. That's right.
Great. Oh, we're doing well so far. We're doing well. We're doing well. All right. Okay. Now the, let's look at another one here. Uh, that one.
Ah,
A, ka. And then this one,
Na.
na. So forming the word
Kana.
kana. Do you know what the word is?
I do not.
You do not, but you are pronouncing it correctly. Okay. So at the moment, we are not really concerned with the meaning. We're just trying to identify the word, and you're saying it correctly, just saying it correctly in Fijian. And now I'll ask you to please spell it in Fijian. Spell.
Kana. Ka-a-na-a. Kana.
Iyo. Kana. Ka-a-na-a. Kana. Okay, it means eat. So
Oh.
I don't know what the word is in the Cook Islands. For I think for the Maori here, tereo, it's kai. Kai is like the food, the kai.
Yeah.
Yeah.
In
But
Cook
kana.
Island, it would be kaimanga.
Oh, nice. So they of course the similarity is there in our Pacific Island languages.
Yeah.
Yeah, it has to do with food, eh? Food with eating.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay, here's another one. Here's another one.
Wa.
This seems to also be universal in our Moana Pacifica. Wa. Let me write that down now. Here it's wa. You said wa, and then combining it with this one here,
E.
e. E. Okay, forming the word. Uh,
Wa.
sorry.
E. Sorry.
Yeah. What did you just say?
Wa. E.
Y. Okay. This is what we I think they call it in linguistic terms the diphthong. The see the that's like the consonant W and then the two votus or the vowels together, one after the other. So you sort of just roll it together. Y, rather than individually wa e, but when you pronounce it together, you just sort of roll it y, y.
Wa. E.
Yeah. Waikato. Remember Waikato?
Yeah. 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 Yeah.
Yeah, Y. So,
Hawaii.
so Y in Maori is tereo is water. I don't know what is. Do you know in your Cook Island tereo language?
Instead of a wa, it would be va.
Oh,
Vai.
is yes, yes. I think that it would be similar with Samoan Vai.
Yeah.
Vai, like you have the Vai Lima, Vai Lima
Yeah.
Bia.
Yeah.
And here's another one. Lima is, I think, is almost universal as well. The numbering, which we will also come to if we will come to that as well, learning the how to count in Fijian. Vai Lima. Lima is 5. Anyway, why? So spell why.
Why? Why? Wa. A. E. Why?
Why? Man, you're doing very, very well thus far. And this is gonna be an encouragement for our Fijian children, Fijian moms and dads. They're living all over the world, the, away from Fiji. They can see that if you can do it, you've never been
They could
exposed
do
to
it as
Fiji.
well.
Yes, it can be done. But don't worry too much about not being surrounded by Fijian speakers. Don't worry about trying to be fluent in it. Don't worry about the meaning. Just go back and learn the alphabet. Learn the Matua Vosa, the Votu, the Butango. Say the words like the Fijian, the meaning will come later. That's the way we're gonna tackle this language learning process. Okay, let's go to this last bit of our exercise before we end. I'd like you to this one here.
Va.
All right, nice. The and that one.
Ka.
Ka. I think with uh with the sound interference, it's like yeah. Can you say that word again? What you just said now?
Laka.
Yeah. Ka.
Ka.
Ka. Okay. And now you're gonna duplicate it. Say again.
La.
The and then back to the car. The car.
Ka.
Okay. Yeah, back to that one, eh? So it's just a duplication of the ka, and then add another ka, the ka. So it's, can you say the word?
La. Laka. Laka.
Okay, now that came out clearly. The ka. Now, if you looked at this word before, so there was only in your brain existed just the one box, the English box. How would you say that word?
Probably say kaka kaka.
Kaka kaka. Yeah, that's funny. That's funny. But now that you've known, now the Fijian box is now existing in the brain. Then and now it's open. You're looking at the word. So how would you say it again?
Laka laka.
And spell it now for me, please.
La. Laka laka. La. A. Ka. A. La. A. Ka. A. Laka laka.
Raka raka. So what's our position again on this language learning? Don't worry about the meaning for now. Just pronounce it like the Fijians.
And then the meaning will come.
The meaning will come because you have the tools. You have Mr. Google. There's online dictionaries and all that. Okay? That'll come later. Okay, nice. So taka taka. This one here. What about this one?
Law.
Okay. Oh, nice. What about this one?
There.
There. And then we duplicate again. We say there again. There. All right. And then we go down to here. What is this word here?
Re.
Re. Hey! That really came out, man. That really sounded like the Fijians. Re. See? You're getting there. You're getting there, my friend.
Vinaka.
Yeah. So what's the word? Could you say the word now?
Wait, the first one or the
No,
one you
no, this
just wrote?
the one I just wrote here.
Oh, that's a new one. Vevere.
Yeah. Once again, please.
Vevere.
Vinaka.
Did I say that correct?
You said it correctly and spell it now for me.
Vevere. Da e ra e. Vere Oh, vedere.
Vedere. And this one is just though.
Zo.
Yeah. Okay, now the reason why I chose this is to emphasize this fact that with Fijian, one letter is always assigned one sound. It never changes. So when you see the C, I'm sorry, in English the word C, but in Fijian it's always the. Whether it comes with
Oh,
daka daka, or whether it's tho, or whether it's vedere, it's always the
vedere.
sound, which is completely,
Oh,
yeah, completely different to English, eh?
yeah.
Because you got the word cat with a K sound with C-A-T. You got Christ, what's the other word? Cheetah, C-H, cheetah, the animal cheetah. The C sound becomes like the J sound or whatever. Jumps all over the place. But in Fijian,
Does.
once you master the Matuavosa, one letter always assigned one sound. Well,
Mm.
that's the end. That's the end of our lesson. The time is up on the Zoom as well. Pinakapakalebu for being here, and please like and subscribe. Fijian speakers number less than 1 million worldwide. Let's make this grow, eh?
Come on, people. Let the Fijian and the Bulla spirit expand.
Okay, you have a good day, and we'll see you again next week.
Rinaka Mode.
Pinaka, mode, mode.